How to obtain a threaded in Python. I have a multi-threading Python program, and a utility function, writeLog message, that writes out a timestamp followed by the message. Unfortunately, the resultant log file gives no indication of which thread is generating which message. I would like writeLog to be able to add something to the message to identify which thread is calling it. Obviously I could just make the threads pass this information in, but that would be a lot more work. Is there some thread equivalent of os.getPid that I could use?
Threading.get_ident works, or threading.current_thread.ident, or threading.currentThread.ident for Python is lower than 2.6.
Using the logging module, you can automatically add the current thread identifier in each log entry. Just use one of these log record mapping keys in your logger format string. %thread_d, thread ID, if available. %threadname s, thread name, if available. And set up your default handler with it.
This functionality is now supported by Python 3.8 plus Smile. You can now use threading.get_native_id. This URL.
The thread.get_ident function returns a long integer on Linux. It's not really a threaded. I use this method to really get the threaded on Linux.
If you want to see